Hello, friends. A cup of this at bedtime got me flushed out, got me pooping out everything, improved my digestion, very yummy, healthy, left nutrients into my system, and got my belly fat all down. So, if you are interested, stick around and follow the recipe till the end so you don't miss any step. Yeah, this is very powerful. So what the first thing you need is a quarter size of pineapple. So you want to get your pineapple, divide in 4 portions. You need just 1 portion of it. Pineapple contains large amount of bromelain, that enzyme which helps to boost fat burning. It promotes fast fat breakdown and food build up in your system, waste in your system flushed out, and you get your body all nice and in shape. Plus, this will leave a lot of nutrients into your system for utmost health. So, when you slice, you set that aside. The second ingredient I add is berries. So you can use any berry of your choice. This is strawberries. These are loaded with antioxidants. Most often your metabolism is slow. That is why you don't break food in your system and you end up with belly fat. So consuming a high fruit with a lot of antioxidants help to promote fast fat breakdown. Plus berries are very good because they are equally fat burning, like they are so good for fat burning and belly fat loss. So these are 6 strawberries. As you can see, they are frost bitten because I got them from my freezer. So fresh or frozen, that is fine. Go ahead and put your pineapple and berries in a blender. You add in half a cup of water. So this is half a cup of water in there. You don't want to put in a lot of water. Half a cup, because pineapple is already water based. So you like 86% water based. So just add in half a cup of water and you put it in, and you have this blended. Yeah, so have it blended till you get a very smoothie out of it. Yeah, have everything all blended. This is very powerful. Plus I will share with you how to go about these 2 more ingredients you need to add that are very vital, and that is in the form of dietary fiber you get from chia seeds. Chia seeds are very rich source of dietary fiber. That is why it is very good for weight loss. Chia seeds, because of the dietary fiber, it fills you up but with raw fish, while boosting your metabolism and having you burn everything all out. This is so good at promoting digestion, fat breakdown, your metabolism, breaking everything all out of your system, and this is so good. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You measure and put in a bowl. Go ahead and add in half a cup of water. So add in half a cup of water in. Make sure you mix everything so well. You want the chia seeds soaked up to get that beautiful slimy crunchiness to it. Like this, I love me some chia seeds. So just set it aside to soak up, and you slice half a lemon. So you need just half a lemon for these. Lemons boost metabolism. Like just lemon and chia seed are very powerful. Plus adding those other 2 ingredients, the pineapple and strawberry, makes everything just so wonderful. So once your chia seed is soaked up, go ahead and pour in your glass you'll be drinking from, and you go ahead and squeeze in the juice from your 1 lemon. So that is of your half a lemon. So split your lemon in 2 portions, and you need just half of it. Go ahead and squeeze. Make sure you take out the seeds that get into your drink. You don't want to swallow the seeds, they are not of any use. Now once you add in your lemon, go ahead and add in the smoothie from the pineapple and the strawberry in there. This is not only very good for fat burning, it is equally very yummy. This is one of my yummiest fat burning meals. Boost my system, boost my metabolism, break everything all down from me, while filling you up with something that tastes good. It tastes so good, but does wonders to your system. You'll be pooping everything all out the next day in the morning and have your body all nice and in shape. This is a meal replacement. and you will always have your belly fat all down, and you have your body always in shape. This is so good. I can't reiterate enough. This is me. In case you don't know Risa, this is Risa Plus. There is something I do a lot that I want to share with you, and that is water. Yeah, water is something I drink lots and lots of it. If you don't drink enough water, please. I know I have been saying this a lot, and some people are like, oh, she's still like, I keep saying it because I get new subscribers every day. I get new members to join the family, the healthy living family. So I keep preaching this all the time. So you're new here, you can pick one or two of the tips. Water is very important, darling. Water is what will flush you up, will boost your digestion, so you break everything you eat, so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. If you don't drink water, food will store up in your system, causing belly fat, converting into sugars. You end up with diabetes and a lot of health issues. So make sure you're drinking at least 2 liters of water a day. Plus, you want to go ahead and do this. Try this recipe. Have it at bedtime, like your meal replacement. Like, this is what you have at dinner. You can still have it in the morning as your breakfast. That is fine. If you do this, do it again at bedtime, so that way once you're sleeping at night, it is working. It is flushing you all out. It is leaving nutrients into your system. Your organs are resting and nutrients are feeding your organs. This is what you want to have. Yeah, I can't reiterate enough. These are the recipes I go for to maintain a healthy body size, free of belly fat, free of excess fats on my body. Trust me, the ticket to sicknesses or diseases, let me tell you, it is fat. Fat is very bad. It leads to obesity, which leads to diabetes. It leads to obesity, which leads to blood pressure. It leads to obesity, that fat, which leads to cholesterol issues you're suffering from. It leads to obesity, which makes you look clumsy. Like, I don't know how to tell you, this is bad. Like, so fats, having your body with a lot of bad fats is bad. So you want to make sure you consume this recipe to help you flush your system all out while leaving in nutrients into your system for utmost health. For utmost health, this is very good for utmost health. I can't tell you enough. Yeah, so go ahead and pass on this recipe to your family, your friends, any friend of yours suffering from belly fat, excess weight, or any friend who wants to live a healthy life. Go ahead and feel free, share these recipes, ask them to come and subscribe to Risa's Tips so they can keep up with my recipes and we can all stay healthy and in shape. Yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.